Okay? Again, at the same time, because of the hole that I've got, and then he's in the wall.
And you created your access panel.
Because I've created my space.
Yeah.
So as soon as he starts to hit me, I'm over here anyway. The elusiveness that we were doing.
Yeah.
So remember when we come to the side, he's already up against the wall getting his head punched in. And again, I wanted you to do that so your face would get closer to me. That stab made the chin come out. Because it didn't lock it, pretended to do it.
Yeah.
So you can move your legs.
So I'll move your leg.
So you can move your leg to get it in.
Yeah.
See the way I put it on the outside instead of the inside?
Yeah. Which made me
Yeah, so when you step out, so I can hit the chin.
Yeah.
That's the main difference. Again, fighting against fear. What you've got to think of is I can't go against this wall because there's movement in my head. Again, other than once held in that position, you can't move your head, you get it in. So from that position, automatically, I'm thinking about it's my turn.
I'm just like, I know, what did you just do?
Because I'm thinking, he's automatically going to hit me with that hand. So he's just, BAM! BAM! But it happens in a split second.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. So again, so just got his arm locked. I know I can protect myself. So if I use this, boom! Is against the wall, what?